What's hiding behind the wall? It's an animal. It has a long neck. It's a giraffe. What is hiding behind the wall? It is a very big vehicle. It carries heavy goods from one place to another. It's a truck. What is hiding behind the wall? It is a fruit. Monkeys like it. It's a banana. What's hiding behind the wall? He is an older man. He is your mother's and father's father. It's Grandpa. What's hiding behind the wall? It is made from wood or straw. People use it to carry or holding things. It's a basket. What is hiding behind the wall? You can see it in the sky. It can bring rain. It's a cloud. What is hiding behind the wall? Repeat after me. Cheerful, cheerful, cheerful. Make 2 sentences with cheerful. The children look cheerful because they are playing football together in the garden. The pictures show a cheerful atmosphere with a bright sunshine, colorful flowers, and smiling family members. Repeat after me. Quality, quality, quality. Make 2 sentences with quality. The house is built with high quality materials, making it look stronger and beautiful. Spending quality time with family help build stronger relationships and create happy memories. Repeat after me. Magical, magical, magical. Make 2 sentences with magical. The colorful garden with bright blue sky create a magical atmosphere. Spending time with my grandparents always feel magical because they all tell wonderful stories and make me feel loved. Repeat after me. Fluffy cloud, fluffy cloud, fluffy cloud. Make 2 sentences with fluffy clouds. The fluffy cloud make the sky look peaceful and beautiful. There are several fluffy clouds floating across the bright blue sky, creating a relaxing atmosphere. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Relaxing atmosphere, relaxing atmosphere, relaxing atmosphere. Make 2 sentences with relaxing atmosphere. The beautiful garden and fluffy clouds create a relaxing atmosphere. I enjoy visiting the countryside because it has a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. Repeat after me. Countryside, countryside, countryside. Make two sentences with countryside. The family enjoys spending quality time together in a peaceful countryside. The countryside is quiet, green, and full of beautiful flowers and trees. Repeat after me. Vintage car, vintage car, vintage car. Make two sentences with vintage car. Grandpa David is washing his vintage car in front of his house on a sunny day. The vintage car makes the picture look unique and remind people of the past. Repeat after me. Energetic, energetic, energetic. Make two sentences with energetic. The children look energetic because they are running around and playing football in the garden. My younger brother is very energetic, so he enjoys playing outdoor games every afternoon. Repeat after me. Look at this picture and describe it. Look at this picture and describe it. This picture shows a happy family scene in front of Grandpa David's beautiful countryside house. It looked like a warm and sunny day because the sky is bright blue with a fluffy white cloud. On the left side, Grandpa David is washing his old vintage car. He's smiling, so he probably enjoys spending time outside. Behind him is his colorful house with a sign that says Grandpa's house. There are many flowers around the house, making the garden look cheerful and welcoming. In the middle of the picture, Anna and Cliff are having fun playing football together. They both look excited and energetic. I think they are visiting their grandfather during the school holiday. A cute blue bird is flying above them, adding a magical feeling to the scene. On the right side, there is a large green tree with colorful flowers growing underneath it. Two beautiful butterflies are flying around the flowers. A friendly dog is sleeping peaceful on a wooden bench, enjoying the warm sunshine. Overall, this picture creates a peaceful, joyful, and loving atmosphere. It reminds me that spending quality time with family is one of the greatest treasures in life. Questions. Question 1. Who is washing the car? Question 2. What are Anna and Cliff doing? Question 3. What is the weather like? Question 4. Where is the dog? Question 5. What can you see under the tree? Question 6. How does Grandpa David look? Question 7. Why do you think the children are there? Question 8. Would you like to visit this place? Why? Answers. Answer 1. Grandpa David is washing the car. Answer 2. They are playing football together. Answer 3. It is a sunny with a few fluffy clouds. Answer 4. The dog is sleeping on the bench. Answer 5. I can see colorful flowers and butterflies. Answer 6. You look happy and relaxed. Answer 7. I think they are visiting their grandfather during their holiday. Answer 8. Yes, because it looked peaceful, beautiful, and perfect for spending time with family. This picture illustrated a peaceful family scene outside Grandpa David's colorful country house on a bright sunny day. Overall, the atmosphere is cheerful and relaxed. Grandpa David is washing his old vintage car while the two grandchildren, Anna and Cliff, are enjoying themselves by playing football in the garden. The weather is pleasant and there are many natural features that make the scene attractive. On the left-hand side of the picture there is a charming two-story house with blue walls, a red roof and a small balcony. A wooden sign reading Grandpa House hanging above the front door. Colorful flowers decorate the garden and a stone path leads to the entrance. In front of the house, Grandpa David is cleaning his classic car with a sponge and a bucket of soap water. Meanwhile, Anna and Cliff are playing with a football in the middle of the garden. Both children look energetic and happy. Above them, a small blue bird is flying through the clear sky. On the right-hand side, a large green tree provides shade for a wooden bench where a friendly dog is sleeping peacefully. Several butterflies are flying among the colorful flowers beneath the tree. In conclusion, the picture presents a joyful family moment in a beautiful countryside setting, highlighting the importance of spending quality time together.